Being born into the world with a solid telling facial structure relies on a few individual hereditary elements. All things considered, there are numerous things you can do to amplify your own facial structure. For a few, this may involve shedding pounds to make their jaw more apparent. For other people, it is maintaining a good diet. Regardless of whether you have a normally striking jaw or a less prominent one, there's nothing preventing you from making yours look as fierce as anyone might imagine. In this video, I'm going to be discussing 4 ways you can get a chiseled jawline. Make sure to watch the video till the end to see all the possible ways you can get a perfect jawline. The first method is exercising your jaw. Different ways in which you can exercise your jaw include: Number 1. Smiling. Smiling comes more naturally to some people than others, but the fact remains that it has a laundry list of benefits to the muscles in your face. As it goes with the rest of your body, the more you exercise your face, the better and tighter it will look. Smiling is a great exercise because it is psychologically tied in with the experience of being happy, so it's not uncommon to notice an improvement in your mood if you make a regular habit of smiling on impulse. Number 2. Clench and release your jaw. Getting a better jawline is correlative to working the jaw itself. To do this, try clenching your jaw for 10 seconds before releasing it. This should come with a sense of mild discomfort as well as a subtle burn. Try doing this as many times as you want. Between 10 and 15 should be a good place to start. Number 3. Practice chin lift. Tilt your head upwards and keep your eyes fixed on the ceiling. Next, strain your lips, as if you were trying to kiss something an inch above you. Maintain the strain for 5 seconds per rep, after which you should relax and give your lips a few seconds to recuperate. Now we move to the second method, which is staying healthy. In this method, the things you need to do include: 1. Drink water. There are too many benefits for drinking lots of water. Pure water intake is a necessary way of improving your overall health. Drinking water aids in weight loss and improved energy throughout the day. What's more, the surplus moisture will improve circulation throughout your face. Most of its benefits affect your jawline only indirectly, but it's one of the best ways to go about affecting positive physical change. 2. Cut out refined carbs from your diet. Refined carbs, also known as processed carbs, are found in many foods like cookies, pastas, white bread, and cereals. These types of foods have very little nutritional value and can lead to the body storing extra fats, including in the face. Instead of processed carbs and refined sugars, make sure to eat lots of fiber-rich whole grains. Eating a healthy diet will enhance any results you get from exercise. 3. Consume less salt in your diet. Salt is one of the most overabundant ingredients in a modern diet, and it does terrible things to the skin. Finding ways of limiting salt in your diet will have many positive benefits for your skin. Your skin will carry less water, making it less bloated and consequently more difficult for your jawline to appear. 4. Chew gum. Gum is one of the easiest and best-known ways of improving your jaw definition. Chewing gum has a lot of surprising benefits, not least of which is sharpening up your facial muscles. The enduring exercise should see results over the course of a few weeks. Best of all, it's a pretty fun thing to do, so it won't take much out of you to make a habit of it. The third method is grooming your beards to suit your jaw. The various ways you can do this include: 1. Consider growing a beard if you lack a strong jawline. Not everyone will be born with a naturally chiseled jaw. If this is the case, growing a beard is arguably the best way of adding fullness to your face. 2. Give your beard a defined neckline. Growing a beard can have a significant effect on the look of your jawline. One mistake guys make very often is to trim their neckline too high, usually matching the arc of their jaw. This has the effect of making the jaw look weaker and less defined. If you tend to trim your beard with a higher neckline, try growing it lower than you usually would, and make sure the line is well defined and reasonably well maintained. 3. Choose shirt collars to suit your face shape. It's a general rule in the fashion world that any stylistic choice are affected by its surrounding areas. Shirts aren't generally associated or picked based on the shape of one's face, but it becomes more important if you're trying to emphasize your jawline. Last but not the least, the fourth method to get a perfect jawline is beautifying your jaw. 1. Use a good skin toner. A great facial skin toner will prevent skin from sagging, meaning your face and jaw looking their tightest. Any buildup of excess dead skin flakes will rob your face of its natural vibrance and definition. So it's necessary to keep all of that under control if you're wanting a truly chiseled jawline. 2. Use collagen-enhancing products on your skin. Collagen is the active ingredient in the skin that keeps the skin tight. Some cleansers and toners encourage collagen production in your skin, so it's recommended you do some research when it comes to buying products. Collagen-specific medical injections are also available, but the unnatural side effects make it hard to recommend as anything but a last-ditch option. 3. Consider surgical liposuction. As with virtually every other facial feature, surgeries are available to those who really want a quick fix. Digestive molecules are injected directly into the area you want to target and burn down the excess fat, all the while encouraging positive collagen growth. Talk to a doctor if surgery sounds like something you might be interested in.